advisors have been sent to pesticide dealers to promote responsible and judicious use of pesticides. The central government has placed complete ban on production, sale and use of pesticides, and the subsequent Edicon 3 on 14/5/2011 compliances with an entry order of Supreme Court of India in Civil Right Petition number 213 of 2011. Democratic Youth Federation of India versus Union of India and others. The matter is still pending before the court. Thank you.
Now let us take up the legislative business. Honorable Minister of State and the Minister of Water Resources, please.
Madam, I like to move that we introduce the bill named F30 Bill 2034 for standardizing and federation, dam practice, safety and practice institution. Thank you, ma'am.
The question is, the leave is granted to introduce Dam Safety Bill 2024. Those who are in favor will please say aye. Those who are against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Leave is granted. Minister of State, Minister of Water Resources.
Madam, I introduce the bill. Thank you.
Now the House will take up consideration of the Criminal Law Amendment Bill 2024. Minister of Home Affairs.
Madam, I back to move for the leave to introduce the bill of repeal section 499 and 500 of Indian Penal Code, which relates with criminal defamation. Madam, I back to move that the bill provides for discriminating for defamation of both liberal and slander. Madam, the House is aware of the issue that the law of criminal defamation is often misused as a tool of harassment. Criminal sections are the most severe sections which a person can impose. Though must there be partiality between the effect of the measures responsible for limiting the right or freedom, the objective which has been identified as of sufficient importance. In recent judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Ramesh versus Union of India and Dalai versus Union of India, the provision or the criminal defamation is too broad. The section 499 and 500 of IPC makes a person liable for publishing any statement that is likely to be understood by some of the members and public as a statement of dismantling reputation. Madam, the government has brought this bill before this August House of the to aware that there are prevalent misuses. Some of the prevalent misuses, but I am now going to say some important points about this bill. Now, of course, the bill defines criminal defamation comprehensively to include not only traditional methods of defamation, but to acknowledge and mention cyber defamation. Number second, the bill refers section 499 and 500 of IPC. Number third, the bill provides for non-reciprocal effect of repealing section